Hey guys, welcome back to CLOCKWISE Crypto. Hope you guys are moving forward in everything that you do. Diving right into it here, taking a look at CoinMarketCap. Crypto fear greed is at 59. Okay, we are in the yellow. You guys know how I feel about yellow, orange, and red. I do believe that is a confirmation for buying and accumulating assets. So looking here at Bitcoin, and we're going to go to the Bitcoin chart, but taking a look at Bitcoin at 65,193. You guys know some levels that need to be broken for us to really see if we're out of the woodwork. You did see the inverted head and shoulders. We did clear one neckline. The next level to clear would be about 67 and then heading up to make a new all-time high. We'll see if that happens. The only thing that I am worried about is this divergence on the weekly time frame. Okay, a lot going on in the world. There's a lot of uncertainty. And you can see that uncertainty when you look at crypto fear greed. Like, you can see that when you see the days that we go from having, being extremely bullish and everything's going great to then being like on the fence, right? So definitely paying attention to that. And I'm paying attention to this major level of support that we bounce right off of, the 60,700. We've had that line there for a while. And, with this zone that seems to be respected very well, I'm curious to see how this weekly candle closes. I'm not going to hop on this bullish bandwagon yet. Bullish long term, of course, but, and I would say overall we are in a bull market now. But this really isn't the bull market that we've seen previously, right? You're not seeing like every day it's green, every day up 5-10% every day. We're just not seeing that yet. So I am waiting for everything to explode. I don't think we've had that yet. And I'll look and I'll follow up with you guys on this weekly candle. I want to see how we play out with, really being within this range, and what are we going to do when we make a new high, or what are we going to do if we clear below 60,700, right? What happens? Okay, so until we clear and make a new all-time high, I'm going to say that you have all year to accumulate still. And that's just basing it off of what I've seen so far. You see the stochastics here never really cleared that 50 on the stochastics after that divergence. So I am paying attention to that, guys. So be careful. And if you're in this long term, it doesn't matter. But I know a lot of you guys are trying to trade. I just know it. A lot of you guys are trying to go in and out, make 20%, double in out, just in and out. You're not holding the crypto projects that you accumulate. You're in and out, or you're on leverage. So I'm just saying, be careful, guys. Pay attention to the stochastic. It's a simple stochastic here, but with that, I do think there is a possibility we make a low. Okay, this has been respected, but if you go to the daily, we haven't really cleared a major lower high point yet. The major one is 67. You have a minor one here that we cleared as a minor one at 65. Okay, I would say that's minor. That's a neckline from an inverted head and shoulders. I get it. But the major one I need to see is 67. Okay. We've said this before in our other videos. So that's what we're waiting for. And that's what I'm paying attention to. This level by far has been respected. The 60,700 level has been respected. And that's a good level of support. We're going to see what we do with it now. Looking here at some news. Crypto exchange Coinbase adds Solana-based DEX to listing roadmap. That is a surprise due to everything that Coinbase is going through, but definitely clearly not off the table. So we see here Coinbase added a Solana-based DEX altcoin to its listing roadmap. Drift is an open source DEX that enables transparent and non-custodial trading. And if we look at Drift and we see, really what they're trying to do, I think long term, we're going to need some DEXs. Like, the amount of restrictions that they're looking to put in crypto, it's by far you're going to need a DEX. Like, Uniswap is necessary. Okay, so we see here on this on-chain perpetual spot trading and leverage really give you an opportunity to be on a decentralized platform. And that's kind of ironic, right? Just let's keep it real. That's kind of ironic for Coinbase to have this own listing, a centralized exchange listing a DEX. Once you've been in crypto, I think you could say you've seen it all. So we'll be paying attention to this. Definitely some exciting news when you talk about this. We talk about Drift, and Drift right here, they're saying Drift was designed with a goal to be capital efficient, but also protective of your assets. They're saying they achieved that by setting up sophisticated cross-margined risk engine, which is a system of tools with an extensive protection from overextending risk. And pretty much going through that, and they have a Drift Foundation that plans to airdrop 12% of Drift's supply, which is 120 million tokens, on Thursday. So the asset is not yet trading at the time of this writing. So very excited though to see DEXs make an impact and really be able to get listed on Coinbase, right? And very excited for that. Taking a look here, market expert sets Bitcoin price for August 2024. Here we're saying here, Bitcoin once again flirting with the possible reclaiming a new record after successfully breaching 65,000 resistance mark. And right here, they're saying that this is the level heading near towards that all-time high level. And you're seeing these charts a lot. But for me, I think if you go, what time frame is he on here? Let's see. What time frame is he on? He's on the weekly time frame. He's on Bitcoin over US dollar. Okay. So he's pretty much drawing this level at 66, which is a key level for him. A level of support is 66. Let's see where he gets 66. Okay, yep, I see. So same thing. They're looking at the same thing we're looking at here. As you can see, we're right there. I'm saying 67.3. He's saying he's a little bit lower because he's looking at Bitcoin over US dollar, which is about 66. It's the same range. We want to see this level broken. This level, right? We want to see this cleared. And that will confirm that we're going on to make new all-time highs, okay? That's what we want to see broken. Until then, everyone should be on alert, okay? I'm not saying don't accumulate. Of course, I think everything's still on sale, to be honest with you. When we look at the prices, I think everything is on sale. Like XRP's on sale, Cardano's on sale, Avalanche on sale. Like I think everything's on sale still. So, and to be honest with you, I was looking. I think we should be good. You should be good to accumulate for the rest of the year. There's a lot of elections that are happening this year. I think October, November, after the elections, you'll be able to kind of gauge where different economies or countries are going and make your plans accordingly. And I think you're going to see definitely a shift based off of these elections, and I think it's going to really spark a massive bull run. So we'll see how that works out, but I get the point of view here. And that's good to see, because a lot of people don't necessarily agree with like our technical, even though we've been spot on. Like we called the drop. I was like, look, we could go lower, and really give if-then scenarios. Like I don't like to give definitives, but we do give if-then scenarios. If this happens, then this. If this happens, then that. I think it kind of gives us that wiggle room instead of that definitive drop. Like there's times where I'm like, yeah, drop's coming, guys. It's coming. And that's what we're seeing now. Everyone thought we were going to go straight to 100,000. I'm like, bro, it sounds good, but a lot of levels, that's not how healthy markets work, right? And I think you're seeing that Bitcoin is healthy, and it's really a life-changing asset. So is altcoins, I believe. So very excited to see that someone's technicals align with ours, and we're here for it. So I'm excited to see where we're at long term as we end this week. I want to see how this weekly candle closes, guys. I want to see how this weekly candle closes so I can really dive in. This is the chart right here. I want to see how this candle closes here as it pertains to being on that level of support. Okay, bouncing off that level of support. So that's what we're looking at. So guys, hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. We'll see you soon.